taking apart LG dryer. This one's the model DLEX5000V. Alright, to take the top of the dryer off, come around to the back. There's only 3 screws you need to take off. This one in the center. The other one here, and the whole thing will push up and then pull it backwards to take the top off. Alright, so from here you got the 4 screws on the front. 2 are behind the service circles that you're going to have to cut out. The other 2 are on the bottom. So once you got those 4 out, you can shut the door. And then you got these 2 screws right here. Probably have to pry up on these tabs when you start to pull it away. And these 2 screws here. So you see this top piece of metal is going to come away, but the bottom one is going to stay, and this strip is going to come with the whole thing. Now from this point, now that the top, the front, and the front bar are off, I take the front panel off. So there's 4 these metal screws. You take those out, and then you lift up. Best thing to do would be to take the blower off and out first, so you don't bend it or anything. But there's a 1 wire harness that'll have to come off there, and you should have taken the other 2 off when you took the bar off the top of the front. Best way I saw to do this is to hook in the 2 hooks and then maneuver the drum up into place, make sure the rollers are on the right side, and then finagle the other side in, get the hooks in, and screw it all back together. If you're doing it with 2 people, I don't know, there's probably an easier way. In case you need help remembering, the belt comes down from the left side with the ridges pointed towards the drum. So the easiest way to do it is just to wrap it down around the idler pulley, pull it all the way up, and then come and loop back down around the motor pulley, and then back up and around, and make sure that you're centered all the way around, which should be easy because you just follow the black smudge from the last belt. So as soon as you pull the drum out, this is what you got in there. Got the idler pulley down there. It's got 1 nut on it. Checked it, no, it's less than a 1/2 inch. Looked like it's an all 16ths. So you just take that out and you can swap out the idler and the spring there. Then you got the 2 roller bearings back there. Here's the rear plate for the washing machine. You see there's a screw, the right one, that one, bottom right, that one on the very bottom, and then 1 over there that need to come out of the back in order to get it off. This yellow thing looks like it needs to just be loosened for the piece on the back to be able to fit out through the hole and to get the rear plate back and away. There are a couple of cables over here that you can disconnect if you need to. I was able to just pull the whole thing out and rotate it. Thing to note though is you got these tabs on the where the heaters connect in. So gotta connect in like that, and then you slide it together. There are a couple pair of screws there in the front that need to be taken out to make that happen. Now we got it all put back together. Hopefully all the wiring harnesses hooked back up. We've plugged it back in, and let's see. That's a great sign. Ooh. So far.